What happens to investments in employee pension scheme, that is EPS, on death of the investor? That's our topic for discussion today in the Market Secrets investment series. Before we get started, I'd like to mention that we at Market Secrets have recently launched Algo Traders Program ATP. If you're someone who is interested in learning end-to-end algo trading, then you can consider joining our ATP program. I'll leave the link to it in the description section of this video. And with that note, let's jump into today's session on what happens to EPS account when the investor dies. In the earlier episodes, we have talked about what is an EPS account and how it is different from your regular EPF account. So if you are not sure what is an EPS account or whether you are subscribed to EPS account, then you can check out our earlier videos. So in simple terms, EPS is part of your EPFO account and part of employer contribution of EPF goes to your EPS account to provide regular monthly pension after your retirement. In case early death of the subscriber, the amount will go to their family members. So in this video, let's talk about how to claim that amount. Okay. So for that, let's talk about what are the documents that we need. Okay. First is death certificate of the EPS or EPF account holder. Okay. And two, birth certificate or any age proof of the claimant. And number three, bank account details, that is bank account proof, which is either a cancel check or passbook of the claimant who is claiming the money. 4, Aadhaar number of the claimant. And 5, photograph of the claimant. And number 6, form 10D filled by the claimant. Okay, so these are the documents needed to claim the EPS account. So now let's understand how the claim works. If the spouse or children doesn't exist for the EPS account holder, okay, if the EPS account holder doesn't have a spouse or a children, then the pension will be paid to the nominee or parents. Okay, only if the account holder doesn't have a spouse or children, the nominee or parents will get the pension. In case if there is a spouse or children, right, in that case pension will be paid to spouse and children only. Children will receive 25% of the pensionable amount till they turn 25 years old. And if the child is disabled, they'll receive pension for life. Whereas the spouse or the widow will receive 50% of the pensionable amount till they remarry or die. Okay, so EPS is nothing but a pension product. So after retirement of the subscriber, generally it provides pension. But in case if the death of the account holder, right, this amount actually goes to the family. So if there is a spouse or children, they'll get the priority. So the spouse will get 50% of the pensionable salary. Okay, there is a calculator which is available to calculate this pensionable amount. So I'm not going to go into the details. We have talked about this in the earlier episodes. 50% of the pensionable amount will go to widow, 25% will go to children. Okay, in case there is no spouse or children, only then the nominee or parents will get the pension. Okay, so this is what happens to EPS account when the investor dies. If you have any queries about this, let me know in the comment section. Also hit the like, share and subscribe buttons if you find this video useful. Thank you.